So, sir, the first actually.
Hitesh, you can write it in the chat box. Your voice is cracking.
Hello, sir.
Now tell me. Yeah.
Another main important challenge is like whenever the patch is upgraded or when we manage a patch, the main issue is the time management, like time issue. What happens is like there are different data centers, and so upgrading a patch in one data center means so there are scheduling, so patch scheduling. So what happens is when we
Not patch
we need
scheduling,
to
it should be schedule maintenance.
Maintenance, yes, sir.
Yes.
So between that gap, when when one data center is upgrading this, means they're maintaining their data center. So and another is maintaining. Suppose one data center is maintaining at 10 p.m. and another one is maintaining as at 4 a.m. So we need to manage that patch in between that time, such that because otherwise it will crash. The data center will get crash.
Exactly. So what is the yeah? So to get out of this problem, what we do?
Sir, we let us assume that there are only one data center. So then also the if there is one data center, then we can easily like so it will take only one particular time to schedule. So there we can do we can have some time slot fixed for that scheduling. But there also comes another the problem of time zone. Such time zone.
Exactly. So if they are from the different time zone, that case the same data center scheduling if we give, that case also it is not going to work. Very good answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the next question is, so you are going to get 1 mark. So Hitesh.
Okay, thank you, sir.
It's not a question of thank you. If you are answering, then you will get bonus marks. These are bonus marks only. Okay. Next question is that what are the entities involved in patch management workflow? Who can answer?
Sir, vendor.
Involved in नाम बताओ पहले.
Akramul.
Akramul. Oh. Patch management workflow. So हाँ बताओ Akramul.
सर पैच नोटिफिकेशन प्रोसेस में दो आता है वेंडर और पैच एडवाइजरिंग सिस्टम.
ओके तुम सिर्फ पहले ये बताओ व्हाट आर द एंटिटीज एक एक करके बताओ.
वेंडर.
वेंडर.
फर्स्ट वन वेंडर.
ओके.
सेकंड वन पैच advisory system.
Patch advisory system. So what is patch advisory system?
सर इसका डिटेल नहीं पता पर
ओके फाइन.
आज उसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे.
अच्छा नेक्स्ट.
सिस्टम एडमिन टीम.
Next.
Then application team.
Next.
Change management system.
Next.
Deployment tool.
Next.
And last, target system.
Target system. Great. Now your vendor and patch management system comes under patch notification system, right?
Yes, sir.
You please write it down, this workflow, and take your paper in a landscape mode because it's a little bit bigger. And system admin team, application team, change management systems comes under what? Patch scheduling, I believe.
Patch scheduling.
Next, deployment tool and
And next to
system.
patch development process. Last two.
Hmm. Now, as it is a workflow, so we have to draw a straight line for each of the system. Please draw as the way I am drawing. I believe you are in front of your laptop, not in front of your mobile. अपना laptop open करो. Now from the vendor side, the first information comes is the security notification. Now, whenever they find out that there is a vulnerability happens, that time only I need to update my patches or update my system, right? So from the vendor side, the security notification will come to the patch advisory system. Patch advisory system will check that whether it is a vulnerable to the system or not. Then if it is vulnerable to the system, then they will issue one vulnerability notification. Now, when it goes to the system admin team, now they will send all the details to the change management system to initiate a change that we need to update the patches. Now, once the change management system approves this, okay, so the patch management system can be approved. Changes. Then system admin team will tell the application team for shutdown your application as well as if it is requires, then shut down your virtual machine also. So shutting down your virtual machine may not be required. So only the middleware and the application level changes are required to get shut down. So they will send one shutdown request to the application team. Shutdown of what? Application. Now the application team will check that if I shut down the application, whether the middleware application also are required to shut down or not. If the middleware applications also are required to shutting it down, then what they do that the application team will send another request to the deployment tool, deployment teams to shut down the middleware application also. Now, middleware application, when they get shut it down, it goes to the target system, they shut down the application. Now the target system will shut down the application. Just a minute, my screen broadcasting has stopped, so I have to start broadcasting again. Students, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, so there is a connectivity issue happens in my system. Screen broadcasting is creating a problem. So please bear with me. I need to shut down my iPad and it will take 5 minutes by this time. So have you drawn this one? Whatever I have drawn.
कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है थोड़ा बाकी था
आप लोगों ने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया उसका?
No, sir.
नहीं लिया? Okay.
स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं लेता
Okay. So do one thing. So I am dictating. You please check that how much you have written, and rest of the things you can start writing from dictation. From the vendor system, it will start to the patch advisory system that whether any security notification comes or not. Means that vendor will send one security notification to the patch advisory system that your system is vulnerable to security issues. Fine. Now the patch management system will send a vulnerability notification to the system admin team that your systems are getting vulnerable to the different security aspects. So we need to initiate a patch management. We need to initiate a patch management. Now, for that patch management, the system admin team will initiate these changes to the change management system, because whatever changes are required for your system, I need to take the approval from the change management system. So once the change management system approves the changes, then the system admin team will send a notification to the application team for request for shutdown of application. Up to this much is okay, student? Up to this much you have written?
Yes, sir.
Shall I continue?
yes sir
Okay. Now, the application team will check that to make an update for this application or make a patch management for this application. Do I need to shut down the middleware application also? Or only shut down the particular system, so particular application will be sufficient. If the particular application shutdown is sufficient, then I don't need to send any request for shutdown to the middleware application. And if I need to shut down the middleware application, that case I will send a request to the deployment tools to shut down the middleware application also. Correct? Student, is it okay? Now it is visible, na? So please complete. And after that, I will initiate. I will start the rest of the discussion. Please complete it. Whenever it gets complete, please let me know. Student, please confirm me once it is done.
Okay, sir.
हो गया? Very good. तो स्क्रीन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग फिर से बंद हो गया. So once the application is being shut down, so that confirmation so the application एक काम करो, so draw a line from the target system to the application team that shutdown of application is successful. So draw a line from target system to the application team, not up to system admin team, application team. Request is successful. The same information the application team will initiate to the system admin team. Shutdown completion. Now, once the shutdown completes, then they will initiate the patch cycle. Now, they will initiate the patch cycle to the deployment tools. So, the system admin tool initiate the patch cycle to deployment tool. So, patch cycle initiate. So, deployment tool will send the actual patching to the target system. Target system will inform the deployment tool that patching is completed. Now the deployment team will inform the same information to system admin team. That patching is completed. Sorry. Now, after the completion of patching, now the main thing is that the post patching, whether your OS is working fine, whether your application is working fine. So all those things we need to check. So that is the most important thing. I told na. So in case of enterprise, we cannot make the patching we cannot take patching so lightly. So what the system admin team will do? So they will send a patching information to the target system, that OS health checkup, whether the OS is working fine or not, whether the OS is also take it or the OS is also compatible with this patching or not. Now it will send one information that OS health checkup is completed. Now, once the OS health checkup is completed, they get the notification. Now, the system admin team will tell the application team that please check that whether your application is working fine or not, because I have checked that the operating system is working fine. So, the system admin team will send that request for application check. Request for application health चेकअप. एप्लीकेशन अभी सेम हेल्थ चेकअप किसको देगा? In the same way, application will check that whether my middleware applications are running fine or not. If my middleware applications are running fine, that case, okay, it is working fine. So it will send an information to the deployment tools. Health checkup for middleware application. Actually, middleware application also check this one to the target system. Now the target system will confirm that health checkup confirmed. So they will also confirm that the health checkup is successful to the application system and the system admin team, sorry, to the system admin team. Now, entire job is done. That means from your patch management, what are the managing the patches and everything has been done. Now you tell me, is it completed or anything is left? The entire process is completed or anything is left from our side? If it is left, from your understanding, tell me which one is left? If my patch management is completed, what is the next job after the patch management? Students, can you hear?
vendor.
No, vendor के अंदर कुछ नहीं है. Whatever patch management I have done, I need to provide this information to one system. What is that called?
Database, sir.
Database. What database? What is the database name?
log database.
बताया था ना तुम लोगों को change management system. What is the job of change management system? What is the job of change management system? कल याद नहीं है? So whatever patch management will do and what is the effect, everything will be informed to the change management system for disaster recovery, rollout, audit and everything, right? अभिलाष कल पूछ रहा था सर चेंज मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम आपने बताया नहीं. Can you remember? Students, please confirm me. याद आ रहा है आपको? So I need to inform it to the change management system. Update the change to change management system. Your job is done. So this is the entire workflow. Please write it down. If any confusion is there, I will explain it. And you have 3 minutes. By this time, it may get shut down. So we will rejoin again. If it requires, bolo,
cycle initiate.
bolo. Akramul, I can hear you.
पैच साइकिल इनिशिएट के बाद वो ऑप्शन नेक्स्ट क्या है वो वाला?
अच्छा, पैच साइकिल इनिशिएट के बाद एक्टिवेटिंग द पैच, एक्टिवेट पैचिंग. Shall I zoom it? Or I can do one thing. Let me check whether this option is there or not. Now, is this helping you?
सर स्क्रीन हॉरिजॉन्टल होगा.
Okay, ठीक है, मैं चेंज कर देता हूँ. I thought it will help you. Now it's okay, na?
Yes.